last but not least, I need to tell you how to trim black nails on a big dog. So far we've just done little bitty dogs, which were kind of easy to restrain. Skeena is new to me. I don't know how she'll be, so we'll give it a try. My preference would be to have her on the floor, but for ease of videoing, we've got her on the table. And so we've got some nice thick black nails. And the goal is to have these nails not touching the floor. Touching the floor overextends the toes, so it gets uncomfortable for the dog, never mind slippery. So what I want to do is fold the paw back, which is a little easier when she's on the floor. And I'm going to judge. I can see a really sharp, hollow dagger. And then the black nail gets quite thick, about halfway up. And that's where I know to expect my quick. So I'm just going to try this, Skeena permitting, and see how it goes. And then I will advise you accordingly. So trimming straight across the edge. I'm right-handed. I'd like to have the paw folded back, but it's difficult. Skeena's pulling away, so I'm going to tell her to wait. Wait. You're a good old girl, you are. And I just took a little bit off, so if you're not experienced like me, then you would take maybe a couple millimeters. And that couple millimeters tells me that I've still got a nice thick black core. When I get close to the quick, I'm going to see a white or gray spot in the middle. That's where I know to stop. But it's quite fine to stop before you even see that, just to be safe. I'm never going to let Skeena's paw go when she's resisting me. I want to reward the good behavior, which is allowing me to do this and without a struggle. Probably sounds like a gunshot. So if she was really new to this, I would say do one toenail a day. And then neither of you gets all sweaty. And the key is repetition for training. So if you repeat every day one toenail, she'll learn and get way more compliant faster than if we get through all of her toenails today. We've got a little struggle here. Not bad. Wait, wait. Good, Skeena. I'm going to reward her, give her paw back. Because that's all she wants, is not to be fussed with. They don't understand why we want their toenails trimmed and that it's good for them. Just took half of my normal amount. See a little white spot on the end, but because I know I can, I'm going to take another sliver. Okay, so now I'm going to show you these little white spots that I'm talking about and how they are the beginning of the quick. So here is a comparison of two nails I've cut. So here I'm not really seeing the big black spot, so I could go another sliver closer. Here I've trimmed as close as I can. I can see a black spot. That's the core, the beginning of the quick that I talk about. If I take another sliver, she's going to bleed there. So we don't want to hurt her. Don't go that close. My advice to you is to stop there, or even before that. Here's another dagger. Sounds like a gunshot to poor Ski. Safe to go a little further. So here we go. Doing the smallest sliver I can. And I could go further, but you can see still a little bit of white on the end, but no big black spot like there. So we're going to call that one good. So actually my preferred position for a large dog is with her on the floor, and I've got her front leg blocked with my knee so she can't just pull it away easily, and I am treating her like a little horse. So fold the paw back. This is really comfortable for the dog, and all she can really do here, because I'm blocking her, is move backwards. So we can just zip through, watching the cut surface of the nail. It may take two of you, and but she's being exceptional. So doing everything I did on the table, I could bevel the edges, take some time, but that is the gist of it. I just find it way easier on the dog and easier to get the job done with her standing. So you can zip through just like a little pony. Hey, Ski.